This is bin number 2. Again, we have a thing with a broken thing because they broke it. These are for the vision cage. It's supposed to be a 2-story. I had no idea how to put the clip together, so I just zip stripped it together. A finch nest when I had finches. Bowls in case I need them when I'm out. A vision cage bowl. A thermal perch for the winter. A bunch of other type of bowls that I use sometimes. This is pretty much bowls and cups and stuff. Before I use this stuff, I usually wash it, so it's dusty right now, except for it's pretty damn clean. Another swing. This is one of my cages. I don't use it. A water bottle thing, which leaks. Pretty much it's in this. It's just bowls and stuff. Another thing. A bowl for my flight cage, which I don't use. Cups. More of these, but too much like waste. Another one. Oh, here's the stuff. This is the nesting formula stuff. It's a bigger one. It has, it's just about the same stuff as outside. Oh, something just went my eye. This is what it looks like inside. It don't smell as good as the other one. I'll probably just dump this. As far as it works, I have no idea. That's this. I think that's about it in this bin. Say bye.